Alright y'all, we're back at the Goodwill. As you saw, it was raining this day. It's actually been raining a lot here. I think it's been raining a lot everywhere. But I personally love the rain, and I've been this way my whole life. I love shopping in the rain. I don't know, I love like the sprint from the car to the store and that like cool rush of air. I just love getting out in the rain. So I have been running out and thrifting a lot. So for today's video, we're going to be thrifting at Goodwill, like I said, and then I'm going to share what I brought home at the end of the video, as well as how I'm using them in my home. I do want to remind you that all of my Goodwill videos are a compilation of different stores in my area, and most of the time different days as well. So I did not find all of these things at one store in one day. This was a really fun piece to see. I'm assuming it's vintage. It has that really like 70s boho vibe. And yeah, it was just a really fun piece to see out. It's certainly not there anymore, so I'm pretty sure somebody snagged this up. It did have a few flaws, but I think this would look great in a kind of boho bathroom. So y'all know I collect the silver plate pieces. I would love sterling silver, but we're on a silver plate budget over here. But I have been noticing that all the Goodwills in my area are pricing them up so much higher than what I feel like they used to. And they're even putting silver plate pieces in those little sliding glass doors that we have and marking them up higher. And to be honest, I'm not seeing a lot of them move off the shelves when I go back. So I'm not really sure what's going on in their heads, but I do bring home a few pieces, and you'll see some even more amazing pieces here later on in the video. Okay, so here's some more really cool silver plate pieces. Now this butter dish, I absolutely regret leaving there. It's not there anymore since I've gone back, but this thing is stunning. I really am not sure why I didn't purchase it. Maybe I thought the price was a little high, but it's gorgeous, and I'm a dummy for leaving it there. Here is a beautiful haul tree for only $25. I think this is so cute, and it's super petite, so it would fit in a really small entryway. We already have a haul tree, or I probably would have loaded this thing up right away. I'm not positive if it's vintage. I'm not sure how to tell. I really loved this pillow. I love a good floral tapestry. Was not crazy about this side, and it was stuffed with feathers, I think. So it was a really good deal. I want to say it was $2.99. Those purple tags are hard to read, but I did leave it there. Maybe if there was 2 of them, I would have purchased it. I'm thinking about if it's there when I go back, I'm gonna get it. I'm still on the hunt for something that I can put on my countertops, whether it's a wood bread box or a little shelf of sorts. I thought for sure I would find something by now, but I'm not having any luck whatsoever. Okay, here is my haul. The first item I brought home was this wicker divider organizer. I thought this was perfect to use for my vintage and antique silverware. Here's some that I'm not using in my decor, so I went ahead and stuck them in here, and I think it works great, and it looks pretty too. Way better than the shoebox I was using. I also brought home 2 of those black lampshades. They were $1.99 a piece, and if you remember in a recent video, I purchased these lamps from Goodwill, and they came with some white lampshades that had some discoloration on them, and I much prefer these black ones because you can't see the rest of the room, but there are some black accents that really ties in with the lampshades. The third thing I brought home was another little silver piece. I'm gonna call this a creamer possibly, but I loved the little flowers on the feet. I thought it was so cute. I have it styled in my curio cabinet up in our bedroom, which I will be showing that soon in a video. And then I also brought home this piece. Now this wasn't a set of 3. There was a creamer, a covered sugar dish, and then this piece, which did not have a lid. So I went ahead and just purchased this one and left the other 2 there for someone else. And I believe there's an S monogrammed on that. I'm not positive. But that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.